Alright, so Kira's telling me 1 hour and 1 minute, even though I know it's gonna be like 2 hours. What time is it? 7:02. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's check our 0.2 layer height with this. Density don't have to be that much. Oh, my keyboard's not plugged up. Alright, well, print speed 75. Print a brim. Let's preview that. We don't need it. Do we need a brim? Whatever. Jack. We already got the printer set up. Oh, another thing, you guys. Max chewed up all my Orlando Hunters. Well, most of them. We still got... The Defender is chewed up. Alright, we gotta fix the Defender. He's missing parts. So we gotta fix the Defender. So we got a 3D print, new roof rack, new front bumper, marijuana breath, you know. The Bronco, you guys know the roof is gone, but I still got my F-150. So at least I got those 3. Alright, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna print. And I gotta go get in the shower. Make it work. That's the problem with this old printer. I can't see anymore. You know, let me turn on flash. There we go. We need some type of glue stick, don't we? Alright, so we got the print bed set up. It's at 2:30. So this end right here, this end stop right here is bad. The end stop needs to be changed. You'll see why. Yeah. That end stop's still good. And it's gonna do it again. Alright, so we're gonna try and pump out a switch stand, and I'm gonna look up my litho frame file. So I'm gonna start making some more litho frames. Christmas is coming up. Make some cool vases and some cool litho frames, but we'll let this boy print. I wish my flash would work. Oh, there we go. That's how you work it. Alright, so right now it's just putting down a nice little brim plastic right now. We're gonna let that print. I gotta get dinner ready.